So here we are at PCIM 2022 in the afternoon of the first day. We're on the Yageo stand with Alex Nebel, Technical Marketing Coordinator for Yageo. Alex, what are Yageo's showing at PCIM today?
Yes, hello. So we are showing mainly automotive, industrial and green energy parts because this is our strongest division we have in the European market and also in the US market. So we are covering, like for this example, we have here an automotive example. This could be an onboard charger or whatever you can find in your car, either if it's electric vehicle, if it's 48-volt system or onboard charging system. So, and this is what we have here presented.
So what are typically the products that you have in such a solution?
Yeah, well, I can show you a picture here. And this would be the onboard charging topology. So we have different stages, and in this part we can find 25 items where we can solve with Yageo components.
That's a nice broad range that someone can just get from a single supplier?
Yeah, really. So, and this is just with the merge of Chemet, Yageo and Pulse in the last years. So we are growing bigger and bigger and can supply the full passive part. So we do have from capacitors on the EMI filter, starting with a common mode choke. We do have PFC stages, we have DC-DC converter, we have integrated transformers, and also for the output filter going down to 400 volt or 800 volt, whatever your system is. So everything which is needed in the passive market.
Perfect. Thanks, Alex. So you mentioned a couple of other applications. Why don't we go and have a look at them and check them out?
Yeah, sure.
So Alex, we moved on from automotive to industrial, and those are some pretty big components you've got in that case there.
Yeah, that's right. But actually inside it's the same component. It's still an aluminum electrolytic capacitor. But for industrial applications, we do have the requirements also for big power components. And it's different to what you have in your car. And therefore we are here offering now the biggest component we can offer, either if it's film technology or aluminum electrolytics. And also we have different connection possibilities, so whatever you like in voltage, capacitance range or connection range, we can offer for you.
Okay, perfect. So green technology is a big topic, so should we have a look and see what the Yageo offering is there?
Yeah, sure.
So the environment, efficiency, power, all of these words go together. What do Yageo offer for that, Alex?
Yeah, you're right. Green energy is also our future. So automotive on the one hand, industrial, but this is what is coming now, and especially when it comes to windmill or solar inverters, this is something where we really are strong in the market and really want to place more items because we see the future is there and it's growing and growing, just like the electric vehicle, which is also somehow green energy. And here we are looking on the other side from the electric vehicle.
So what are the characteristics of a product that you need for something like a windmill or a solar farm or something like that?
Yeah, well, and that's the main difference to, for example, automotive, where we have vibration and different temperatures. Here we are outside. We don't have most likely not vibration, especially for the solar inverters, but we do have rough environmental conditions, so like water and temperature changes. And this is the challenge here. But we don't have challenges like size. So in a windmill, there's not a problem to have a bigger component. So we are not looking for size, but we're looking for long-lasting items. This is the main application requirement we do have here.
Cost is always a factor. So do the really big case sizes, do they cost significantly more than a smaller case size?
The one answer would be yes, because we are using more material. That's a simple answer. But on the other hand, the production is much more easier for us to handle it because we don't need precision machines, and therefore it somehow it's a trade-off. For sure you get more product, so it's for sure more expensive, but it's not so complicated to create it. And we do have other requirements from the customer side because automotive is still very strict, and there are strict rules. Also here, and here's the main point, long lifetime, really long lifetime, because you don't want to change your windmill every 2 years.
So I guess as with most things, it's a question of designing in the right product for the right application.
Yeah, that's right. And that is why we have separated them in 3 different groups. In the end, it's all the same item, but for the different requirements of the customer, like temperature or long lifetime, or maybe small size or high vibration capabilities, we are having different family groups. But in fact, it's the same item.
Perfect. Thanks very much for your time, Alex. Have a good show.
Yeah, thank you.